Hello everyone, welcome back with Sketchup basic 3D floor plan tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we use template in millimeter, and for navigation, if you press middle mouse, it will be show for orbit tools. Press shift button, hold, and press middle mouse, it will be show for pens. And to zoom in and zoom out, you can use scroll up and scroll down in center mouse. The next, I will select at these objects and press delete button. We create reference line by clicking at this tools, measure tool, click this green axis, and I will set 9500. You can zoom out, create again in here, we set 4000. Create a rectangle, start from this point, move into here, and use pull tools to extrude this rectangle object for extrusion 100. Use measure tools again, we create construction lines 1500 for length. In here we set into 2500 and also click at this point, set 3000. Use offset tools, I will offset this face. For offset distance 150. And I will create rectangles start from this point for dimension 150, 4000. Create again in it. I will set into 150, 2500. Click start from this point, move into here, set 150, 3000. Okay, use erase tools, we erase at this line object. Also at this point. Okay, in this point I will draw a line, start from this point, we draw again, and use erase tools to cut this line object. Now use pull tools to create walls. Click these icons and select at this face, move to the top. I will set 2500. Okay, we create walls and I will draw lines, start from this point, draw again in here, and the last at this point. Use these tools, we select at this face, move to the bottom like 1000, and select at this face, you can double click. Use erase tools to erase this line, also in here, and the last at this line objects. Now we already create these simple walls. To create holes in here for door, use rectangle tools, like I will draw in here. Rectangle, and use pull tools to cut this wall. Okay, also same at this point, use this rectangle tools. I will create in here rectangle and use pull tools to cut this wall. Select at this face and move into here, click again in here, move to the bottom. Use erase tools, I will cut these line objects and also at this point. Okay, now we already create these walls. The next I will insert for furniture. You can click at these icons to go into 3D warehouse, click, and will be show for 3D warehouse dialog box. And to search furniture, click at this searching bar, and like I will set to door, press enter, it will be show for door furniture. You can click at these icons and download into your SketchUp. In this tutorial, I will use my furniture from component with this tools component. And I will use insert this door. You can click and you can drag into this floor plans. To rotate this door, click at this icon, select from this point, and I will rotate into 90 degrees. Now we can move, but first I will settings in this face. You can use pull tools. I will move into this point a bit, and now we can move. Select door objects, click move tools, move from middle point. You can zoom in and click at this point. We move into middle point in here. Okay, use pull again, select at this face and click at this door to be automatically moved. Okay, that's it. How to insert furniture into floor plans. To change color, like you can select at these objects, triple click, and go into materials. Like I will change color. We set this color. You can click and select the objects. It will be automatically changed. For face, like I will select at this face, and we use the other objects like stone. I will use this objects and click at this face to be automatically create. Or again, you can use tile. We use this tile and click in this face. It will be automatically applied. Okay, we already create this simple 3D model floor plan with Sketchup. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.